Hey everybody, it's me, Cookie Monster, and we've got race number 2. Take it away, Thomas.
So who we got racing today, Thomas?
We got Gordon against McQueen.
Okay, ready, steady, go!
Yeah! I think McQueen won that one.
Lightning McQueen won?
Yeah, and Gordon was not
Okay,
fast
put Gordon to
enough.
the side then. Who are we racing now?
Stephen.
Stephen.
And Benoli.
Stephen, right, let's go.
Uh-oh, there's a crash.
Yeah.
Start the race again. Ready, steady, go!
Yes, Benoli got in the first. I thought Stephen.
He won, okay, next race.
Me like races. Me like races.
Who won, Daddy?
He want me, Cookie Monster. Me want Diesel,
Diesel?
and me want Toby.
Toby.
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go!
Yeah, Toby got it far. I think Diesel and Toby tipped down.
Oh, so it was a draw then. Next race, who's next?
Me gonna stand over here and judge.
Who wants you, Daddy?
I would like, let's have Herbie, the white one, versus RPM, the yellow one.
Opie?
RPM, that's it. And Herbie, the white one.
No.
Why, is he retired? Okay, Lightning McQueen.
Yeah.
Go on then. Ready, steady, go!
Yes!
RPM won that one. He's the fastest car. Right, so who are the winners?
Benoli and Ray and Queen.
And who's going to race? Who's the last one to race? Who hasn't raced yet?
I think he didn't.
Okay, race him then. Ready, last race. This is for the championship. Ready, steady, go!
Yes! Ray and Queen won in first.
Lightning McQueen did a power slide and won. So who's the winner overall, dude?
It's Benoli and Ray and Queen.
Okie doke. Thanks, guys.